The GSS has been in existence for more than 50 years. It's one of the premier data collections in the country, and it's the only one that allows us to better understand how society's values and views and opinions have changed over time. In the GSS, we ask about 3,000 respondents a whole variety of questions, everything from their perspectives and interests and information related to race relations to spending patterns.
The GSS provides what no other survey can provide, which is the sociology of things. In the natural sciences, they may have telescopes, they may have satellites. In the social science, we have the GSS. Nowadays, data science allows people to more easily predict behaviors, to understand the mechanics of how things relate to one another, and the GSS is a great asset because all the information that it contains. The GSS started in 1972. The original idea was proposed by Jim Davis, a University of Chicago professor. The GSS is funded by the National Science Foundation and is conducted by NORC, which is an objective, independent, non-partisan organization.
One of the unique aspects of the General Social Survey is that while it does tell a picture of Americans at a certain point in time, by asking the same content over time, we can see how we have evolved. We can see the complexity of our society. We can see the changing values.
The General Social Survey is an instrument that allows to measure what people think, what they are experiencing at a given point. It's a series of interviews, conversations, if you wish, done in a standardized way. It allows you to consult information in one place. It's all in one data set. So anyone can easily download the data set and immediately calculate statistics. It can be used by anyone doing either market research or data science, can cover a lot of topics.
It's an honor and it's a privilege to work on something that's been in existence since 1972, that tells the picture of what's going on in our country, that helps us understand how people think, what they're feeling, and help to translate that information into action.